Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see the steps to create doghouse in Solidworks software. So let's start by making a sketch in top plane. We first make a square of 30 mm by 30 mm. These are general dimensions, but the dimension can vary as per the requirement. After making sketch, we create the body of doghouse by using extrude boss command. Give a value of 40 mm. After that, add draft to the side faces and back face of 5 degrees with bottom face as neutral face. We need to keep direction of pulling towards upside to create positive draft. Now add shell to the front, non-drafted, face and bottom face with a thickness of 3 mm. After that, add a draft of 1 degree to the inner faces of side and top, with respect to front face as neutral. The drafted face are visible now after giving draft towards outside direction. Now our main doghouse body is ready. Now, we are going to give undercut to the doghouse. For that we need to create a separate solid body. First, create a sketch in same top plane. Here, we are keeping thickness of 1.8 mm at the undercut section. And extrude boss it to 6 mm height. Make sure to untick the merge result option so as to keep the new body separate. Now add a draft of 5 degree to side faces and back faces with bottom face as neutral face and pulling direction towards upside. This will create an upward draft. Then give a draft of 1 degree to top face with respect to the front face as neutral face and direction towards the doghouse body. Now, we will apply subtract Boolean operation. Subtract the second body from the main doghouse body. Now, we will give draft one last time to the inner side faces, to make the inside section of the doghouse completely with positive draft. Now, we will give fillet to all the sharp edges. First, all the outer edges, with 4 mm radius. Then at the inner edges we will give 1 mm radius. And at the undercut section, we will give 2.2 mm radius as we need to maintain constant thickness throughout the doghouse plastic body. Finally, give 0.5 mm at the upper edges of the undercut section. That's it. That's how you can design a general doghouse and plastics part. You can vary the dimension and design as per your requirement. Thank you for watching the video. Hit like and subscribe for more such content.